Rising like the smoke, you linger on me. You got me so high, I can finally breathe.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting. Jasmine Destine, am hosting my first giveaway. I know what you're thinking. You're like, what? A giveaway? Girl, I know I mentioned this previously on my channel in some videos that I was going to be doing a 20K giveaway, and it is finally here, people. I'm super excited. I'm really happy to hit 20K. I'm overjoyed. I love every last one of you, and I just wanted to do something nice to give back to my subscribers that tune in weekly, 3 times a week, to watch my videos, to comment on my videos, to like my videos, to show love. I receive so much love that I'm just like, I have to do something for them. And there's a bunch of stuff that I'm looking forward to giving away. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. I'm just going to show you guys what's going to be a part of this giveaway, my 20K giveaway. I'm going to list the rules for entering the giveaway. So if you're looking forward to today's giveaway announcement, then give this video a thumbs up. Why not? You can go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're not already a part of the fam, then you need to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you can be notified for future giveaways and future uploads. Duh, like, what are you doing if you're not already subscribed? Make sure you click that notification bell because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you can get a cute little notification in your inbox, you know, that Jasmine Destine uploaded a new video. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Let's just get into this giveaway. I'm so excited. Ooh, it is hot. And these things is heavy. So I got a bunch of makeup in this bag that's super heavy. And then I have a bunch of makeup in this bag. And then I also have more makeup. So I'm gonna pick out what I want to give away to you guys. And I know I'm gonna get some questions about what my lipstick is. This is the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Candy Venom. I would never wear such a bold color. You know I like my nudes. You guys know I love my nudes. But this color, when I swatched it, the pigment, whew, was insane. I was like, Ree, you did that, sis. So I bought it and I wore it and I just fell in love. So now this is like my go-to pink, and I know it totally clashes with my orange nails. So I actually have some MAC products that are completely brand new. Most of them are from collections that are no longer available in stores, so you got a cute little throwback with MAC. There's this contour and blush stick. This is a cute little contour and highlighter stick. So one side is like a bronzer and the other side is a highlighter. I'm gonna be giving that away. I have the MAC bronzing powder in Refined Golden. Like I was saying, I didn't get this in a box. It just came like this when I received it. So don't be like weirded out. I swear I didn't touch it. It's not swatched at all. It's just a classic at MAC. Like if you want a bronzer, Refined Golden is the way to go. Velvet eyeshadow from MAC. This came out like, I don't even know, maybe like a year ago. The Spellbinder eyeshadow in Aphrodisiac. It actually has like a little plastic cover on top, so I'm not gonna open it. But there's that, so there's some cute little MAC products in there. That would be fantastic. Giving away these Eylure lashes. Eylure London. This is like a natural set. This is for my everyday girls. There's this contour palette that looks like it's really, this looks like it would be a really nice, there's a plastic film on top. This looks like this would be a really nice dupe for the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. CoverGirl Color Neutralizing Primer. These just released, like literally this is like brand spanking new. Yes it is. Ooh! You know, when you want to have a natural lash day, you do the Eylure, but when you want something a little more dramatic, honey, we're gonna do, I'm giving away these Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. That is a popular style. When I tell you, I'm gonna be giving away some lip products. So there's a CoverGirl lip gloss in here. This is a lip topper. It's a really pretty like gold glittery lip topper. Yeah, there's this gray one. There's a gray color and a like brown color. There it is, not in a box. I'm sorry, I didn't use this. It's not swatched. This is the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. This is the most popular nude lipstick at MAC ever, and that's because a long time ago, like 4 years ago or like 3 years ago, Kylie Jenner said on a Snapchat, or she said on Twitter or something, that her favorite nude lipstick is Velvet Teddy from MAC. So ever since then, it has been the most popular nude lipstick ever. Then I have a NYX Strictly Vinyl liquid liner in purple. This is real cute, okay? She real cute. And I'm gonna be throwing some face masks in there as well. There's a brightening mask, this Lancome mask, matcha green tea mask, chin mask. It's just gonna be a lot of face masks. It's just gonna be a lot of face masks. Then I have a Pixie Beauty Skin Peel Off T-Zone mask. Oh, that's cute. I kinda wanna keep this, but I'm not. I'm gonna give it to y'all because I don't need any more makeup. I don't need no more stuff. I don't have room for it. Ooh. The Balm Cosmetics Girls Getaway Trio. I believe this is, oh, blush. This is a blush palette from the Balm Cosmetics. So there's that. Ooh, and it comes with a little mirror. How cute. And I'm not gonna show every little thing that's gonna be in there because I'm gonna throw in a lot of like smaller things too. For lips, I'm going to be giving away, oh my God, literally like all of the CoverGirl Melting Pout lipsticks. I received these in PR. I legit got like 20 of them. You're gonna get all of them, sis, because that's all you, girl. And I'm gonna throw in the Katy Kat glosses. Oh, that would be so cute together. Ooh. Katy Perry was not coming to play with y'all. She was like, I'm gonna give you the colors. I'm gonna give y'all the rainbow. I'm gonna give you everything. So literally, this is not even like half of it. I have so many lip colors. So those are all gonna be in it as well. This CoverGirl True, what is that? True Blend CoverGirl Smoky Palette. I'm gonna be giving away the Vitalist Healthy Glow Illuminators / highlighters. So these are cream highlighters. They're very pretty. I'm going to be giving you gold. If you saw my last video, then you saw that CoverGirl sent me a huge PR package with their new True Blend Matte Made foundation that everyone on YouTube has been raving about. I've been wearing it every single day since that video. I'm wearing it right now, and I've actually been wearing it for like, what time is it? I've been wearing it for like 9. Oh my God, I've been wearing this foundation for like 10 hours and it looks so good. It legit like is such a nice foundation. So I'm gonna be giving away the deep shades and the light shades. Some of the medium shades, but I did swatch some of them, so I don't wanna give you a foundation that I already pumped. Basically everything that I'm gonna be giving away with like some other things sprinkled in there. So as far as the rules for this giveaway, there are some terms and conditions. This is a US only giveaway, so I'm so sorry to all of my international subscribers that were thinking of joining this giveaway. There will be ones in the future that you guys can join. You must be 13 or older because that's how old you have to be on YouTube, honey. So I don't want to get in trouble with any of that. There will be a full list of like rules, like YouTube guidelines, community guidelines, and things like that in the description box. So make sure you check that out before you enter yourself into this giveaway, honey. And as far as the rules, there are gonna be 4 rules. So you must be subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button because you are now partly a part of this giveaway. The second rule to this giveaway is that you have to follow me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram on the screen as well as a link in the description box so that you can go ahead and click on it and follow me on Instagram. The third rule for this giveaway, you have to turn on your notifications. Boop! You gotta turn on your notifications, honey, okay? And the last rule to this giveaway is a comment. So I need you to specifically answer this question. I am going to be filming a Q&A, like get to know me video, and that's what I'll announce the winner to this giveaway. All you have to do is just leave a question down below in the comment section asking me a question that you'd like to know about me. It could literally be about whatever the heck you want it to be about. Any question in the world. If you follow the last 3 rules that I previously mentioned, then you are now entered into the giveaway. Also, you have to comment. At the end of your comment, just put your Instagram or your Twitter handle. I have a Facebook page, but I won't be contacting people through Facebook, just through Instagram and Twitter. So if I pick you to be the winner, but as of right now, there will be 1 winner, and I'll contact you through Instagram DM or through Twitter DM. So you need to comment answering the question, you know, any question that you want to know about me, you want to get to know me, and then put your Instagram or Twitter handle at the end of the comments. Okay, I hope that's not too confusing. I hope you don't feel like that's like I hope that's easy to follow. Alrighty, so that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed me talking all about this giveaway, and I hope that you'll enter the giveaway, honey. Like, I hope you'll enter the giveaway because it's some cute stuff, and we all love free stuff, right? We all love free things. I know I love a free thing, whether it's food, it's clothes, it's makeup, I don't care what it is. If it's free, it's like, cool, I got it, I'll take that. So make sure you enter this giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, follow me on Instagram, turn on your post notifications for my channel, and lastly, leave a comment answering the question that I'll have posted in the description box as well as on the screen with your Instagram or Twitter handle, honey. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out any of my other videos. I have them up next for you. Bye, guys.